Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the amazing VIVO Y75 5G mobile phone. If you're in the market for a new phone, then this video is perfect for you. Let's start by looking at the box. As you can see, it's a sleek white and blue box with the VIVO logo emblazoned on the front. Inside the box, you'll find the phone, a charger, a cord, and a pair of headphones. Now, let's take a closer look at the phone itself. The VIVO Y75 5G has a stunning 6.53-inch touchscreen display with full HD resolution. This makes watching videos and playing games a truly immersive experience. The phone runs on a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 802 chipset, which means it's speedy and efficient. You'll be able to navigate your phone with ease and switch between apps without any lag time. Moving on to the camera. The VIVO Y75 5A has a 48-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The front-facing camera is a 16-megapixel shooter. Whether you're taking selfies or capturing memories with friends and family, the VIVO Y75 5 won't disappoint. The camera app is easy to use and comes with a variety of features such as portrait mode, night mode, and AI scene recognition. The phone's battery life is impressive, to say the least. It has a non-removable 5,000 mAh battery that can easily last you a full day with moderate use. You'll also appreciate the fast charging feature that will have your phone back to 100 battery in no time. Now, let's talk about the design of the VIVO Y75 5G. The phone is sleek and sophisticated with curved edges that make it comfortable to hold. The back of the phone has a 3D design that not only looks great, but also adds grip to the phone. The phone comes in two different colors, black and blue, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. In conclusion, the VIVO Y75 5G is an exceptional phone that is sure to impress. With its stunning display, powerful processor, awesome camera, and long-lasting battery, it's hard not to fall in love with this phone. We hope you found this review helpful, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Overall, the VIVO Y75 5G is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality smartphone. Its sleek design and impressive features make it stand out from the competition. Additionally, the phone's 5G capabilities ensure lightning-fast internet speeds, making it perfect for streaming videos or playing online games. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a reliable phone, the VIVO Y75 5G is definitely worth considering. Don't hesitate to get your hands on one today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.